we are going to have the paper view of the latest CMA final December 2024 final examination with respect to our indirect tax laws and practice. Section A, which is compulsory, already you know that it is based on MCQs. So most of the MCQs are straightforward, nothing much twist is there if you observe, but few computational based MCQs are asked. I think with respect to this one, see like this. But actually there is nothing actually that much difficulty level was there. Straightforward ones. So MCQs I can say little bit of easy, except the computation ones may take more time to answer them, but they all are straightforward MCQs if you observe. So that's why I straight away move to this section B, which deals with the descriptive paper there. If you observe this particular paper, as far as I observe, more of a theory questions, because in CMA, not like CA, more theory questions will be posed in the exam. I told you in the class also so many number of times, keep more focus on theory with respect to our indirect taxes. See question number 2, it is from supply chapter. Composite or mixed supply is the thing we need to say. Where goods are packed, then transferred, or booked Rajdhani Express. I think so just like these points, we discussed same points were in our material also. See CRD 22 like that. Page numbers are given with respect to our material supply. So CRD 22 and part 13.3b. That means not exact ones will be there, you need to what we can say stitch all those points into one question. So if at all you are able to read our material thoroughly, then it is a straightforward and very easy question. But it is a analytical one, a little bit, and this one is a straightforward theory question with respect to NRDP, returns chapter. That means what is the due date, when is required to file this, all these points I think 7 marks. I was a little bit surprised. It was a little bit small topic, but anyway it was asked for 7 marks. It is pure theory topic. If at all you are able to read the material, definitely you can answer this question. Third one, discuss the GST payable in the following independent cases. Vishnu Temple Charitable Trust registered under 1023C of the Income Tax Act has given the rent a community hall located within the temple premises for organizing Diwali Mela. I think exemptions chapter, this was in relation to. And company secretary makes the payment of LLP registration fee of 4,000 on behalf of the clients. I think this is also exemptions registration fee, exempted supply, that 4,000 will be. Free samples to the doctors, definitely this was there in ITC, a little bit ITC reversal topic was mixed here. On trucks to GTA, it is exemptions. I think majorly the focus is there on exemptions chapter here. I think this was a very easy one and analytical one, easy to answer. So marks, it is a cakewalk for you. And B point is here, SST Limited, a registered person under GST. Law at Ahmedabad procured the following goods in the month of October 2023. Inputs used in the final product, goods destroyed, food and beverages, purchased for employees in dealers' meet, telecommunication towers, accounting paper for photocopying machine, goods and used for during warranty period. It is also a very basic level question from your IDC chapter. Definitely you are able to answer easily. See this pure theory ones regarding the TDS. Who is required to deduct the TDS as per section 51, 7 marks. And write a short note on time of supply. That is, you need to write about 12.3 as well as 13.3. Pure theory question. This one is also for 7 marks. Easy ones. And 5A, Mr. Sachin, a CMA, being the partner in GST, registered from the orders, a gaming software. Then actually online money gaming services, based on that whether it is taxable or exempted based on amendment. This question was asked. Online money gaming services. If at all you are able to read the amendments, you can write this one. And this one is Mr. Kishan, an air travel agent, provided the following details for the quarter ending on March 2024. Basic fare for international tickets, basic fare for domestic booking tickets, commissions, e-earning bonus, like that. All these things I think comes under value of supply chapter, ma. Very easy one, but some 1 or 2 additional points are there. If at all you go through the concept well, then you can do that. Easy one. Outline the major schemes announced by the exporters, for the exporters under FTP. I think never they will ask this question. You need to specify the names only of the schemes. You will get 7. Wow. And this one was there in our material. Difference between special economic zone and export oriented undertakings, ma. It was straightforward question in our material. So theory is the major one except 1 or 2 problems. Okay. And invoicing, who are not required to issue the invoice? Straightforward theory question. Advance authorization scheme under FTP, pure theory question. See this, how many theory questions are asked? That's why if you are able to read the theory part well, then this paper is a cakewalk to you. And this one is just like analytical question. That means with respect to a final order has been passed by the Commissioner of Central Banks having the revisional authority in respect of Kailash traders, a registered supplier in state of Tamil Nadu, the amount of IGST, penalty and interest confirmed by the Commissioner is, these are the amounts. I think pre-deposits, ma. This is analytical question. If at all you are able to read 15%, like that 20%, 10%, like that there will be there now. You need to write about them. Easy one. Next one is here. Sanvita Anko, a registered person in the state of Maharashtra under the regular scheme, purchased the goods on March 12, 2022 for 23,42,400 inclusive of GST, and duly claimed IDC on the purchase of these goods, and the payment was made to the seller within 20 days by electronic funds. But later on, after 2 years, GST department asked you to reverse the IDC, saying that the amount is not paid by the seller. This one is a little bit difficult one. We can say this is only difficult one, I think, because you need to have the concept of if the supplier did not make the payment to the government next financial year, September or something is the date. If at all he did not make the payment within 2 months, IDC is needed to be reversed without interest. After that, along with interest, you need to reverse that. Okay, this one may be, I'm not saying that extreme difficult, but a little bit difficult one if the student is able to remember this one or not. But as a overall, the paper is 100% easy for the people who studied theory part very well. But if you neglected the theory part and concentrate only on the problematic one, then this paper is not for you. This is my review on this particular CMA final IDT paper. Thank you.